Hello everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to talk about the LC back-to-back truss layout directions. This will allow you to set the orientation of the back-to-back trusses on a truss layout plan prior to input. This setting can be found in the truss settings dialog, which can be accessed via the truss settings section in the Steelwise ribbon bar. You can go to the Steelwise settings menu bar, or alternatively you can type in the tset shortcut alias into the command bar, and this will bring up your truss settings dialog. And down here we'll see there's a truss directions option over here. Now please note that you'll only see this truss direction option if the LC back-to-back system is selected. If I change this to the LE inline system, the truss direction option is not there. So if I change this back to the back-to-back option, you'll see we got the truss direction options here. Now, for the purpose of this video, I've set my jack trusses and my saddle trusses to face outwards and everything else inwards. Now I'll explain to you what this means. I'm just going to go and click on save, and I'm going to come back here to my layout. Now, if you remember, we spoke about this little rectangle here, and this is telling me the orientation of the truss and how it's being viewed in my detail sheet. And so for trusses facing inwards, all my webs, so this is going to indicate the web side of my truss, and so it's all facing towards the inside of the roof, so towards the center of the roof, where my jack trusses here are facing towards the outside. You see here they're facing towards the outside to the corners. Now if I go into my model view, we'll get an idea of this as well. So we'll see here there's the web cords of my back-to-back trusses facing towards the center of the roof, and my jack trusses, my web cords are facing towards the corners, so facing towards the outside of the roof. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.